What if I told you that it's not about saying more? It's about saying the right thing at the right moment. Because attraction is not built through long speeches, it's built through emotional impact. And sometimes just a few carefully chosen words can stay in someone's mind long after the conversation ends. But here's the truth: most people won't tell you. There are no magic words that work on everyone. What actually works is how and when you say something. And in this video, we're breaking down two simple phrases that, when used correctly, can create powerful attraction and connection. So stay till the end, because the way you deliver them matters more than the words themselves. The first phrase is, "you feel different." And what makes this powerful is that it goes beyond surface level compliments. It doesn't focus on looks, it points to something deeper, something emotional. And when you say this calmly and genuinely, it creates curiosity, because now she's wondering what exactly makes her stand out in your eyes. And that curiosity keeps you in her thoughts even after the conversation ends. But here's the key: you don't over explain it, you let it sit, because the mind naturally tries to fill in the gap. The second phrase is, "there's something about you." And this one works because it's intentionally incomplete. It creates a psychological loop, because when something is left unfinished, the brain keeps returning to it, trying to understand it. And that's what creates lasting impact. Not the words themselves, but the meaning behind them. And again, the mistake most men make is they rush to explain, they try to clarify, and in doing so, they kill the mystery that made it powerful in the first place. Now, here's the part that most people completely miss. Delivery is everything, because if you say these phrases with hesitation, neediness, or the expectation of a reaction, they lose all their impact. But when you say them with calm confidence, relaxed energy, and no pressure, they feel natural, and that's what makes them effective. Timing also matters, because these phrases only work when there's already some level of connection, some level of engagement. If you say them too early, they feel random. If you say them in the right moment, they feel meaningful. Another important factor is authenticity, because people can sense when something is forced, and forced words create resistance, while genuine expression creates openness. So instead of memorizing lines, you need to understand the principle behind them, expressing something slightly deeper, slightly unexpected, and slightly open-ended. You'll also notice that when you create this kind of emotional impact, her behavior may shift. She may become more curious, more engaged, or more attentive, because you've introduced something different into the interaction, something that stands out from the usual conversations she has. Now, here's where most men go wrong. They focus only on what to say, thinking attraction is built through phrases, when in reality, it's built through presence, confidence, and how you make someone feel over time. And these phrases are just tools to enhance that, not replace it. In the end, there are no universal magic words, but there are meaningful words used in the right way, at the right time, with the right energy. And when you understand that, you stop chasing scripts and start creating real moments. And those moments are what people remember, what they feel, and what keeps you on their mind long after the conversation ends.